my name is Leona and I'm currently a senior at Bishop Gorman High School. I'm going to be part of Emory's class of 2028. Well, I've always known of Excel since I was in 6th grade because my brother attended. I started having my own personal tutors and counseling when I started in 8th grade going into high school. I'd say definitely one of my biggest challenges during high school was kind of finding my footing and getting everything started. So I really needed to figure out what I was gonna do to accomplish my goals and make it really my goals and not just checklist, and actually be proud and passionate about everything I was doing. I would say the most helpful aspect of Excel is definitely all the advice and counseling, because I feel that when I was first starting in high school, I didn't really know what to do. I didn't know exactly when I should start preparing for SAT and ACT tests, what classes I should be taking. The SAT boot camp definitely helped me in both the standardized testings. I went from 1100 to 1500 score, so the boot camp and just the individual learning, because I definitely needed to focus on math a lot, because a lot of the stuff that I needed to know for the SAT and ACT was stuff that I had learned before, but I needed to apply it in a standardized test and know how to time myself and pace myself to make sure that I either got all the answers right, or I knew that I was maximizing the scores I could get. I definitely loved working with them, especially in high school. I started having two main counselors and tutors, Mr. Keem and Mr. Adi, and they are great to work with. They've definitely helped improve my grades and really helped me have a good path in high school. The most enjoyable part was definitely my college admission process, because up until that point, I've been doing just a bunch of work, but doing the actual college admission, I can see the results of everything that I've done. I could see all my test results and all the activities that I've done. So doing the college admission actually made me really proud of everything that I've done in the past 4 years. Effective strategy was when I'm writing my personal essay, one thing that really the most helpful part was Mr. Keeman suggested was to look at already admitted students' their college essays, because Johns Hopkins has a whole website of their students and their essays, and I looked through that and it gave me ideas of what I wanted to write about, because when you're first starting your personal essay, it's hard to think of how can you summarize your entire life basically in just 600 words. And so looking at those essays made me know what I wanted to focus on in my life and how I was going to write it. I would definitely say to start as soon as you can, because you know that you have to do college admissions and stuff like that, but you don't realize how much work actually goes into it. There's all the questions you have to fill out and all the essays. And starting early gives you time to first off think about what you're gonna write and what questions you're gonna answer and how, and also gives you time to revise anything if later you decide that maybe one idea was better than the other. So starting early. I'm excited to be going to Emory University, and I'm going to be majoring in biology. Definitely just being in a new chapter of my life. I'm going to a new city that's pretty far away and kind of different from Vegas, and there's going to be a lot of new people and a lot of new opportunities for me. So I'm really excited to see what's going to happen at Emory.